Good morning, children. I am your Sangeeta ma'am. Today I am going to take construction 11.3. What is the construction 11.3 is to construct an angle of 60 degree at the initial point of a given ray. That means usually we will use protractor only, we can measure the degrees. But without protractor also we can measure the degrees to draw a angle. How it is means using compass as well as ruler. So today I will show you not even 60 degree. Today I will show you how to construct the angle 60 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree and 30 degree. Okay, using without protractor, using compass pencil, okay, using compass and ruler, how to draw this degrees. First of all, you have to draw one ray. You have to draw one. First of all, I will show you this degree and this degree, 60 degree and 120 degree. So draw one ray. My ray name is A B. Okay, from my ray take your compass. Okay, take any measurement of radii. I take the measurement of radii this. Keep needle here. Draw one arc. Draw one arc. After this arc, same radii. Don't change the measurement. I mark it as this point is O. Okay. Then keep the O point needle, cut one arc. This is for 60 degree. Then keep the same point, cut another arc. This is for 120 degree. That means you have to join this O and C. O and A and C. This A and C is 60 degree. Again you join this means (120 degree). This is E. A, B, C, D. So now the angle A, this is the angle 60 degree. This is the angle 120 degree. Understand, children? So how to make an angle 60 degree and how to make an angle 120 degree without protractor. Same procedure. Okay. Construction. Same construction you can use it. Draw a ray AB with initial point A. Taking A as the center and some radius, drawn an arc which intersect AB at point D. This construction is for 60 degree. You can make it as 120 degree also. Taking D as center. I am taking 60 as. Okay, I am taking here the concept that this point is, radii point is O. No problem. Okay, taking O as center and with the same radius as before, draw an arc intersecting the previously drawn arc at point E. Draw an arc AC passing through E. That means you can join this arc means OAC. OAC. Okay, otherwise angle BAC is 60 degree. The same angle BAC is 120 degree also. Angle BAC is 60 degree as well as 120 degree also. Here itself I will show you Here itself I will show you the 30 degree also. Okay, same compass, you take the same compass, you keep the needle here, you cut one arc and keep the needle in the 60 degree intersection point, you cut the intersection arc. So this is the point, intersection point. So 60 plus 60, 120. 60 plus 60, 120. So half of 60 is 30 because 60 divided by 2 is 30. Now you can join this. This is E. That means this is 30 degree. See, 60 degree, 60 plus 60 is 120. 60 degree, 60 plus 60 is 120 degree. Half of 60 degree is 30 degree. So keep your protector also, you check through it. 30 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree. Okay. (120°). This is 60 degree. This is 30 degree. So without protector, you can make an angle using the compass and ruler. You can also make an angle. So now the angle BAC is 60 degree. BAD is 120 degree. BAE is 30 degree. But the same constructions are same. The same construction you have to provide. Okay, draw a ray AB with initial point A, taking A as center and some radius, drawn an arc which intersects AB at point D, taking D. Whatever you are doing, that's what things you are doing, that things you have to write in the construction. Construction part is in your book also. Justification, it's a simple justification. We need to prove CAB, that means BAC or CAB is 60 degree, join DE since arc AD equal to arc AE, using some radius we draw. This constructions will be already in your given book, so you can use that construction also, no problem at all. So this is the 3 angles. Now shall we move on to the 90 degree. 60 degree हो गया, 120 degree हो गया, 30 degree हो गया. Now you have to do 90 degree and 45 degree. How to do? See, 30 plus 30 is 60. 60 plus 60 is 120. 90 will come in between 60 and 120. Okay, so 60 plus 30 is 90. So we will do it separately for 90 and 45. First, draw one ray A, B. Okay, take your compass, take any radius, keep your compass in the point A, point A, cut one arc, then same point, cut another arc, this is 60 degree, cut one more arc, this is 120 degree. Take the same compass measurement, keep in 60 degree point, cut one arc here and keep in 120 degree point, cut another arc here. So you will get the intersection point. So just join the intersection point. This is C. This is the intersection point. So what is this? 90 degree. From this 90 degree, what is off of 90? 45 degree. Take the same compass, keep the compass in this point, O point. Okay, keep the O point, just cut one arc. Okay, and keep this point, cut another arc. So you will get one intersection point. Join the intersection point D. That means BAD. BAD is 45 degree. You can check with your protractor also. You can keep the protractor in the center line. See, 90 degree, 45 degree. Exactly. So these are the two diagrammatic concepts for the construction 9th standard. How to construct the angle using the initial point of a given ray, 60 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree. Once again I repeat, just take one ray and draw a ray. Use your compass, keep the needle point in the initial point A. Example, initial point is A. Initial point. Take any radius. Draw one arc. Then using that arc, you have to draw one more same radii. You have to keep the needle at O. Draw here one arc. The next keep here needle point, here one arc. So this is 60 degree. This is for 120 degree. So you can join this intersection point, so you will get the 60 degree. You can join this intersection point, you will get the 120 degree. 30 degree, keep the needle again O, cut one arc and keep the needle in 60 degree, cut another arc. In this intersection point, you can join together, you will get 30 degree. So BAC is 60 degree, BAD is 120 degree, BAE is 30 degree. Now find out 90 degree and 45 degree. So BAC 90 degree, BAD 45 degree. Okay, same. Draw an arc, draw a ray. Using that ray, take any radii. Keep the radii O as the center. Draw one arc. Okay, so keep the needle at A, initial point. Draw one arc. That arc initial point is named as O. So now you can join this 90 degree. So then after ray initial point, keep the needle, draw one arc. This arc will be initial point is O. Then keep O at the initial point, draw one arc 60 degree and 120 degree. Using the 60 degree arc and 120 degree arc, do the above arc, you will get one intersection point, that is 90 degree. Keep again the needle in O point. This is the diagram of 90 degree as well as 45 degree. If in the exams they will ask you the questions 90 degree separately, 45 degree separately. So you can draw separate diagrams also. No problem. Okay. I will show you the separate diagrams also. Now. So now we will draw the separate diagram for only 60 degree. Draw one ray. The ray name is AB. Then take the compass. Keep the needle at initial point. Sorry. So this point, arc point is O. Then keep the needle at O point. Cut one arc. So this arc intersection point, you join the intersection point name as C. This is 60 degree. That's all. Understand, children? This is angle for 60 degree. The next one is 120 degree. So how to draw 120 degree means same ray AB. Take the compass, draw arc. Okay, mark this arc is as O. Keep the needle, draw one arc here and keep the needle, draw another arc. So this another arc intersection, second arc intersection point, join together. This is 120 degree. Okay, so the next is 30 degree. Next is 30 degree. So how to draw 30 degree? Same. Okay, first draw A, B. Okay, take the needle. Draw one arc. After the arc, O point mention. Keep the needle. 30 degree means 60 ka off a 30 degree. So this point is enough. This point is you name as C. C point. You have to keep the C point one arc. Draw and keep the O point one arc. Draw. So you will get this intersection point. Join this point is named as C. The angle is 30 degree. So these are the 60 degree, 120 degree and 30 degree.